Hello everyone, I am Apurva. Thank you all for taking your time out this beautiful Saturday evening towards joining our March 2021 graduating class. Earlier this week, we also celebrated International Women's Day and had a beautiful picture collage of all women in Guru School's family to thank them for their efforts towards helping our women empowerment cause. We sincerely thank them from the bottom of our heart, as without you, we all do not exist as an Guru Schools. Today, we have a graduating class from four different training tracks, namely BA Agile Scrum, Robotics Process Automation using UiPath, Salesforce Administration, BA, and Selenium QA Automation. These four training tracks are very popular as they are easy to learn and also helps making six-figure salary working in a corporate America. Now I will have my colleague Purva Mishra to take this forward.
Thank you, Purva. Hello everyone, I am Purva Mishra and welcome you all to Guru Schools. Before we formally start the event, let me again give you a brief backdrop of Guru Schools. It is a modern marketplace in the form of ancient Gurukul. We strongly believe education is one strength that once comes, stays forever with you. And training or knowledge is something that it grows and compounds by sharing. We bring world-class information technology education to ambitious people, giving them theoretical and simulated project experience. For many lateral experienced professionals, upskilling, which might be learning, unlearning, relearning to emerging technologies, is the need of the hour. We are unique and known for our 6 pillars of career employment focused job placement training. The 6 pillars of our offerings are as follows. The first pillar is 6 weeks of formal instructor-led training track, which gives a good overview of the respective technology. Second pillar is course completion certificate. The third pillar is reference-ready resume preparation with the required bells and whistles. The fourth pillar is vendor interview preparation. The fifth pillar is end client interview coaching and job assistance. And the sixth pillar is ongoing project support. These IT technology training tracks are for 6 to 8 weeks duration, running across weekdays and weekends, preferably evening training during the weekdays, and weekend schedule is more flexible and exhaustive. These are free training tracks if you are looking to work through us on our project, and it is a way of giving it back to corporate America by investing in people. Apart from these 4 training tracks, some of our training focused practice area, in no particular order, are Agile Scrum Master, Android iOS development, big data, business intelligence, visualization, reporting tools like Tableau, Qlik, Power BI, Snowflake, Cloud DevOps, front-end UI design development, Informatica Cloud ETL, data warehousing, Java full stack microservices, MuleSoft integration, .NET full stack, Oracle NetSuite ERP, project management, Python data science, and Workday HCM. We also have expanded in pharmaceutical, healthcare, and mechanical industrial engineering domain and offers courses like biostatistician, clinical trial data management, SAS clinical, it would be Validity quality management, SolidWorks, CAD/CAM design engineering, and few other skills. Most of the Fortune 5000 firms in corporate America consumes these technologies, thus a huge scope for the IT career. These are difficult times happening across the world in light of COVID-19 pandemic and the global recession. In light of millions of job losses in the USA, we are doing our best towards helping people and corporate America reduce unemployment. In every adversity comes an opportunity. So let us look at the positive side of COVID-19 pandemic. It taught corporate America that everything can be done remote. In light of tight budget and layoffs, the employers are looking for qualified resources who can work with their reduced budget remotely. For most of you who are seeking to restart their career, this is a golden opportunity. With the help of Guru Schools, 6 pillar offerings, each one of you will secure an opportunity. Please remember that change is constant. It is about learning new things, unlearning unwanted things, and relearning important things in life. Now, I would like to request Gaurav Kumar to take it forward.
Thank you so much, Purva. Thank you so much, everyone, for showing up on this day. And this is a really, really wonderful day. And let me introduce myself. This is Gaurav Kumar. I am one of the candidate and one of the serving member with Guru Schools. Having said that, let me tell you on this graduation ceremony, how this is going to go ahead further. So the order will be like a BA Scrum team will go first, followed by robotics process automation using UiPath, then Salesforce admin BA, and last but not the least, Selenium QA automation testing team. As each of the trainer will talk about the students, we will also show the PDF copy of the course completion diploma certificate, which will be given to the students upon completion of the ceremony. Remember to show the certificate of achievement to your family and your friends, as learning has no age limit and boundaries, because when you learn, you grow. At any point of time, you need to keep on learning. So learning mindset is the right symbol of your proper growth. So let's take this opportunity and cheer it up for each one of you, and how I want each one of you to cheer this up. So the moment other person is going to come over here, I want you to clap for them. I need to give them the power. Why? Because in a way, you are appreciating them. And you remember one thing, when you appreciate, that appreciates you. And that's the reason I want each one of you to keep appreciating for the hard work the students have put in and the masters have put in. And this is just to add value to you, so that you can add value to your industry where you will be leading it up. So are you okay? And are you ready for this, to cheer it up for each other? If you are ready for this, and if you are on it with us, I want you to do one thing. Okay, I want you to show me both the thumbs up, so that it will symbolize that we are together. So just raise both the thumbs up and show in the camera. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to request Richa and Richa and Ravindraji to take the leap. How we are going to just invite them on the board. We want to clap thrice, 1, 2, 3, and in the camera we will do the power whoosh like this. So let's clap for Ravindra and Richa and their student for completing this. So please, rest of member who are not speaking up, please mute yourself. Let us come together and give this power whoosh by clapping for Ravindra and Richa. So 1, 2, 3, and power whoosh. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please go ahead. Please go ahead, Ravindra and Richa ji. And I am bringing up your slide over here. So here you go. So if you can see the screen.
Yeah. Richa ji, please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much, Gaurav ji.
Thank you. Yeah.
Gaurav ji, I am still on the
next slide.
Okay, can you not see the screen? Just give me a second.
No.
Yeah. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
it is visible now. So thank you so much, Gaurav ji, for boosting up the morale or the keeping up the momentum of the day. And yes, it is very true that this is the day where we should congratulate each other and to celebrate it, right? So we are starting with Leena Bhatt. So many congratulations, Leena ji. And you are very lively and you are very talkative person and very enthusiast person I have ever met to. And you have the courage of learning new things, and expanding your arena. So thank you so much and congratulations once again for this certificate. Leena ji, do you want to say something?
Yeah, I definitely want to say this was a transactional journey for me, being from businesswoman to becoming an IT professional. I was completely unprepared. But thank you, the Devji, Richa ji, and Ravindra ji, for making me realize that I can do it. And the experience was the most deepest and the most meaningful. And this was a wonderful journey. Thank you, Guru School, and I really appreciate the trainers, the whole Guru School staff, and not last but not the least, Devendra ji. Thank you, Dev.
So guys, just let's
just-
take a pause and please clap for Leena ji and Richa ji and Ravindra ji. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
completing this. This
Thank
is my
just to add to that, basically we learned a lot from Leena ji. The way she
Yes,
brings up lots of
definitely.
experience in terms of travel domain, in terms of the business ventures. Means if you want to really take a good help of becoming an entrepreneur kind of scenario, Leena ji is the most senior and most respected person in our group. Leena ji, thanks a lot for being there with us, and God bless you. We wish you all the best with this certificate.
Thank you.
Our heartiest congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
Richa ji, please go ahead.
Yeah. So many congratulations.
So
Leena ji.
guys, with this note, I want each one of you together unmute yourself and just say 2 words together. Congratulations, Leena. So 1, 2, 3, go. Congratulations, Leena.
Congratulations, Leena ji.
Thank you. Let's move ahead to next. Yeah, please go ahead, trainers.
Yeah. So next is Pallavi Chandra. So Pallavi ji is very passionate towards towards her career. She is like, I want to start my career right away. She has that courage in her, and she is ready to do whatever she can do. And it's really as a trainer, make me proud that I have these kind of candidates associated with me. So thank you so much, Pallavi ji, and many congratulations to you on completing this course.
Thank you,
Pallavi ji?
Richa ji.
Congratulations,
Thanks a
Pallavi ji.
lot. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Richa ji. Thank you, Ravi
Congratulations,
sir.
Congratulations,
Thank
Pallavi.
you, everyone.
Congratulations, Pallavi.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank
Congratulations.
Thank you, everyone. Congratulations. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
So Pallavi
Yeah,
ji,
Pallavi,
you want
go
to
ahead.
say something?
Sir, first of all, I have to say this is a great to have. I am here to learn something. I just learned everything with Richa ji and Ravi ji, and the guidance of Dev sir is amazing. He guided me in every path of this career, and he taught us how to make resume, how to present it, and everything. Thanks a lot, Dev sir. It's a great pleasure to be here with everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And all the best for your future.
Thank you.
Ravindra ji, you want to add something?
No, yeah, it was really amazing to work with Dipti ji, Pallavi ji. We had, lots of revision in terms of how to do the interviews, and she was really diligent, really hardworking towards that. She also had a, look at understanding the career as a BA as well as QA. So she had, made herself a kind of dual candidate. And that was really, keep adding to the whole scenario. As we, look at our course name also, the way we pronounce it is like business analysis, quality assurance, quality control, agility, and then Scrum. So that's the whole name because, we want to build a complete career or critical candidatures for each and every candidates. And that's how, we added the value to it. And I believe Pallavi ji is really, walked that talk, and she really worked hard in even getting her other skill sets also up to a great mark. Thank you, Pallavi ji. It was great learning from you as well.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, moving towards Deepika ji, Deepika Patel. So I found Deepika ji very talkative. She is like, if she has some doubt now, Richa ji, I have this doubt. Can you please clear it out first? Then we'll move ahead. So she has the, just in her, like fire in her belly, like Dev ji always says, that fire, you should have the fire in her belly. So she has that. And she is like, why this is there, why this, if I say that these are the focuses of the Scrum, so then she say, why these are the focuses for Scrum? So these kind of just she has, and this will really help her to move ahead. So thank you so much, Deepika ji, and many congratulations for completing this.
Thank you so much, Richa ji and Ravi sir.
No, thanks a lot, ma'am. It's really make us basically walk that extra mile as far as technology guidance, as far as overall learning new things, and we really had a good discussion in terms of couple of really great topics in terms of good getting at a depth kind of scenario, and I really respect that overall understanding to a great level, and let's do it kind of attitude.
Yes.
I really learned a lot from you, ma'am. Thanks a lot, Deepika ji, for our part of our family.
Thank you, the whole Guru School team. I appreciate all your time. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Deepika.
Good job. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations, Deepika.
Thanks.
So now, Ravindra ji, I'll hand it over to you. Thank you so much for all these.
Thank you, Richa ji. Yeah, let's go one step ahead, sir. The next is no, you gone to the last, I believe, sir. There's a fourth one, right? Yes, yeah, Sukhada ma'am, yes. One of the most senior most candidate. We learned a lot from her. We learned a lot from Rudra ji. Even we are learning from Dhananjay ji. The complete family is basically joined with the Gurukul's family. Ma'am was one of the most hardworking students we had. Means even we had quite a few good amount of interview reviewing session. We had quite a good amount of even hands-on workshop sessions, and I really learned a lot in terms of understanding to a level where we can start the career at such a great senior level, and she guided me in basically building these slides more aligned with all the non-technical stuff as well, and we learned a lot in terms of how we can get aligned better and more towards such a senior person who had that ample of domain knowledge rather than the technical knowledge, and how to cope up with those things. That's really great learning for me. And Madhuri ji, thanks a lot for being a part of our family. Please keep guiding us, and we'll work together forever. Believe me. Please go ahead, Madhuri ji. If you can say a couple of words, that'll be great help. Please go ahead.
I really appreciate to Guru School team from my bottom of heart. And I can say Richa ji and Ravindra ji are my teachers, because after 30 years I am learning something started, and they are very supportive, adjustable. They both are very positive, and I'm blessed to have these both of you. And thank you, Devji, to be as my or our mentor. I'm glad to join Guru School. Thank you very much.
Just a word of
So thank you so much, Sukda ji. To have a candidate like you is a blessing for us. You are very dedicated. You are very hardworking person, and at this point of time, wherein you have grown up kids and all, and you started new thing, it's a great inspiration for everyone.
It's really thank you, Richard. It's really hard for me to learn. I'm very slow learner, but you are always you both are very positive, and that makes me to learn more.
Madhuri ji, you were our very motivational force.
Oh, thank you.
You were there with every presentation. You asked questions, and you appreciated everybody. So we really appreciate. Yes. We are happy that you were part of our group.
Yes, thank you.
We learned a lot.
Our team is great.
Yes.
I just want to add one thing for those who will be wondering. Madhuri and Sukhada is the same person.
Yes.
Maiden name is Madhuri, and the married name is Sukhada, which is the same person. Thank you.
Thank you, Devji, for clarifying. Even I was wondering that. So congratulations, Sukdaji. And the thing is that I really find it fantastic when I find trainers and candidates come together, talking to each other, and find everyone is so much grounded, humble, and supporting each other. So congratulations once again, Sukdaji. Before we proceed further, would you like to add something?
That's it. I already advertise Guru School a lot. By telling each and my friends and everybody, and maybe they are interested, they will come to you. But thank you for your team is very, very good. Very humble, very nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Yes,
Congratulations.
yes. Thank you. Again, Dipti Agarwal is really hardworking, most diligent candidate we had. We learned a lot in terms of, how to shape up the technology, how to build the solutioning. I think her base part is basically building solution rather than, deliberating on the technology. And, we really gone to a length in terms of discussing these things. So as an analyst, I believe she is one of the most prominent or, most hot cake. That's what we call in typical, I think, recruitment market, if I might right. So those kind of scenarios we really discussed at, and I believe everybody also understand these longer discussions and going into the building solutions kind of scenario, which actually kind of at an architectural level. And we really learned a lot from Dipti ji. So I believe, do we have Dipti ji? I believe we have lost her. So let's clap for her. She was really a great candidate, and we learned a lot, and I believe she also learned a lot. Pardon me for missing her right now. Let's move on, sir. I believe
I think we lost her. She was there in
the something like that, sir. No problem.
I saw her, but now I cannot see her. Maybe.
Same here, no problem. Mansa ma'am, wow, Mansa ma'am is one of the prominent candidate, hardworking candidate. She's still learning. She joined a bit late to our class, I believe, a couple of weeks here and there. But the way she picked up, the way she's learning things, the way we have a discussion in terms of interviewing, in terms of building profiles, in terms of actually building those documentation, in terms of building those diagrams, we are still basically learning together. We are walking the extra mile together, and she's really interested in getting to the depth of technology and understanding how the BA works, how understanding actually the designers work, how architects getting clubbed up together with each another. And we keep growing, we keep learning. And that's what the most fantastic thing about Mansaji. Mansaji, could you please pick up a couple of words for you?
Yeah, thank you, Ravindraji, and thank you, Richa-ji. The knowledge I acquired was because of you, I have to tell. Because after a long gap of my learning career or IT career, the knowledge I acquired was because of you guys. Thank you very much. And Dev sir, thank you for, I think this Guru Schools was started because for me only by Dev sir. Thank you, Dev sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mansaji, to be there. And we are privileged to have you as a candidate. I want to say this to all of the candidates who are there. Thank you so much. We are, as a trainer, we are privileged to have these kind of candidates. Thank you so much.
They make us want to walk extra mile. That's really great. Yeah, and I couldn't say many thanks to Richa-ji basically being partnering with me, being daring with me basically. The way I work, I'm quite talkative. No, ma'am, let me thank you. This is the right forum, basically. I'm a kind of, impulsive more towards, getting things on right now. And she's more, breathtaking, pausing. And, she's really the way she works, like we basically, support each other the best possible way. And I believe, everybody can support me in case, they felt that way. And Richa-ji, thanks a lot. I learned a lot from you. You guided us a lot overall.
Thank you.
And, Raviji, really you great. And Richa-ji are like yin and yang. We need both.
Thank you,
ma'am. Beautiful combination. Thank you. You have a beautiful combination here. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
much.
Yeah,
the
combination of Ravindra-ji and Richa-ji made us to
amazing. Amazing.
To complete this course successfully.
I'm really. That's true. I'm really blessed. I'm really blessed with such a good family.
Thank you.
And just to add, just to add to that, we have Devji's birthday today. As a head of the family, bless him. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Devji.
Very, very happy birthday, Devji.
Wishing you happy birthday, Devji.
It is Devji's birthday.
It's a party.
Can we? Yeah.
Happy birthday.
We cannot meet him. We cannot shake hand with them. So can we together do one thing? Since just now we have opened up declaring how we are going to celebrate this birthday. Nothing much. So there is one thing. One thing is emoji icon. There is a reaction button on that. I want everyone to hit the heart icon. That's one. The moment you hit the heart icon, and then what we have to say.
No,
Just
let's sing
bring
happy
your
birthday rather than iconing. Let's sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
yeah,
Let's
yeah.
sing.
How we are
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Devji.
Happy
Bless
birthday.
One more
you.
thing. Please, please, please do shake hand with him. How we are going to do, Devji, please do this with us. Bring your both the palm together and just say happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Bring in front of camera with the palm. Happy birthday to you, Devji. Happy birthday to you, Devji.
Happy birthday to you.
Devji, you
Happy
need to
birthday to you.
receive by giving us clap, giving us camera high five. Happy birthday.
Yes, Devji.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Devji,
Thank you so
please say
much.
something.
There is some
Devji.
confusion. Listen to me
Happy
first.
birthday, Dev sir.
Yes, listen to me first. Number one, it is not my birthday today. My birthday is tomorrow. I share it with Einstein. Okay. Ravindra is in India.
Dev sir, Indian time.
Indian time already started.
Yeah, he's right.
We are following Indian
Dave
time.
is, he's right. It's Indian time.
I share it with Albert Einstein. Let me share it with Curtis tomorrow. But thank you for all
Sure.
the compliments. I appreciate that. So I will take a pause here. I want to say about this batch. This is our second biggest batch. Okay, BA, Agile Scrum, and Quality Management. Ravindra has over 26 years of experience. Richa has also extensive experience, over 15 years working in corporate. Ravindra has worked in several continents across several countries. Richa has worked on global projects. It's a good union in terms of Ravindra being over enthusiastic, whereas Richa has been very poised and very, taking it with a proper pace. Each one of you got a good overview on this track. After the completion of this track, I strongly suggest you, which many of you have done by the way, please continue to join our resume preparation, vendor interview preparation, and as you get marketed by our recruitment and sales team, there'll be several challenges and there'll be several Q&As. Please use the group WhatsApp forum as the right forum, as well as please bring it up to our Tuesdays and Thursdays session. Do not hesitate in reaching out to me via text and via WhatsApp. I try my level best to respond in a timely fashion. And it's like you're done with the training. That doesn't mean we are done with you. It's just the beginning that we engage with you on a project. Ravindra and Richa are more eager and are more passionate to place you because the proof is in the pudding. Unless we engage you on a project, unless we place you on a project assignment, unless we really help you make six figure, this means nothing. We are here not to post some videos or give some training and we are done with you. We walk the talk. When I say we celebrated women empowerment, because 70% of my employees are women in India, 63% of my employees here in the US are women. And I have no qualms in saying, as a man, I exist because of a woman, often because of marriage, motherhood, and for several other family reasons. It is always a woman who has to sacrifice her career. And that's where, to be honest with you, these Guru schools were started because I have a mother, I have a sister, I have a wife, I have a daughter, and I simply cannot see suddenly there is a pause and suddenly there is a break. And then there is no supporting. There is no ecosystem. And you know what disappoints me? Many of you have a family who has a prospering career, but often a woman is overlooked. And it was going crazy. I was getting sleepless nights and I said, someone has to do it. And everybody looks for someone, but no one really helps. Giving a crying shoulder is good. But what a woman wants is empoweredness in terms of the financial wisdom and in terms of the positive morale. So to be honest with you, the Guru School as a company, I have few other companies too, but Guru School as a company, which was only started with a thought in mind that we must look for giving a platform. Women are already empowered. I don't need to empower them. But giving that dose of that positivity, giving that dose about you can do it too, and creating an ecosystem. Now it's up to you that whether you want to have a skyscraper or whether you want to have a few story building. It's my job to help you, give an equal footing ground to each one of you. Now I want each one of you to have that inertia and to have that power in the belly to make sure you can go as high as you can and you can fly as much as you can. Last but not the least, please work with your spouses. Please, especially if someone in your family, your spouse, your brother, father, anyone, cousin, if they're in IT, please do not hesitate in asking them, for a help. Because unless you ask the help, you will never get a help. Okay. So thank you so much. This is by far, as I said, it's very fulfilling when I see the class graduates, and it's more fulfilling as we see some of you have been actively interviewing, have been actively in the engaged in the job placement, and we'll be delighted to see all 6 of you to get a job very quick. Okay, so our job doesn't end. This is just a formal way of class graduation, and now we will continue to the next training. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Gauravji, please go ahead.
We're back to Gauravji. Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much,
Thank you
Gauravji.
so much, Rishaji, and thank you so much, Ravindraji, and thank you so much, Devji. And thank you. Congratulations to Mansa once again. So guys, remember this. So here we have, since moving further, congratulating each one of you who are pursuing the success. Before I move ahead, I just want to add one thing over here. That remember that you don't don't pursue success. Is success ensue you for who you are. So remember to always to think that you are right now not done with getting place. So we are securing for your employment to get you placed in the corporate of North America. So with this note, I want to now further, with this reminder, move ahead and want to bring our another trainer, Syed, on the board. And before Syed speaks, let's all together give him a power whoosh, because he is consistently adding the value as well. How we are going to give the power whoosh? 3 claps and just say whoosh to Syed. So 1, 2, 3 and whoosh. Syed, please come on the board. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you all. Thank you for the warm welcome. Okay. Now let me talk about my students, Srisha and Virat. So actually I am a RPA UiPath trainer, and this is my first batch. Okay. So the first thing I learned from Srisha, let us talk about Srisha. The first thing is age is just a number. Actually this term everyone just heard of, but in reality I just saw this particular term in Srisha. Age is just a number. So Srisha, I just learned a lot from her. Okay, so she's also having a lot of work. She has to take care of her kids, and lot of things are there. But still, she is able to do the assignments, whatever that is given, and she's keep on practicing in such a way she can learn a lot and everything. So Srisha is a very, very good student for me. So she guided me a lot. Through her, I got a lot of positive energies. So even she has this much work and she is still able to learn these things. Through her, I learned a lot. I'm having some new passion to learn towards new technologies. Thank you, Srisha, for that. Hello, Srisha, are you there?
Yes, Syed, I'm here.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for your compliments on everything.
It's not a compliment, Srisha. It is just a real thing, what I felt from you, right?
Thank you.
So congratulations, Sirisha. Let's clap for Sirisha before Sirisha adds some word of her experience. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Syed. Yeah, congratulations, Sirisha. Please go ahead and add some word of your experience. Yeah, while getting this.
Yeah.
You are not audible, Bell. Yeah, please go ahead again. Yeah, now we are.
Yeah, firstly, I will thank to Dev sir who encouraged me to take the career where I am, where I stand, and what makes. I mean, he helped me to take a turn to which technology I can take, which technology helps me to grow in my career wise. So I'm sincerely thankful for him. And next, I'm thankful for Syed. Oh my God, is absolutely whenever I ask a doubt or whenever I have a doubt. So just one message. In minutes, he will give me the answer. That is the training we had. So I'm so thankful for him. Without him, I can't move another step in doing assignments, or in going further steps. So I'm so thankful for Syed for doing everything. Because for him in the night time also, if I message him, he will reply at that time in the night time also, in the early morning.
Now, no barking.
So I'm so thankful for whole team, and I'm so thankful for whatever I'm going to choose in my career. That is the step I'm here taken by in the Guru schools. Thank you so much, dear sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sirisha. Yeah, let's move ahead to another candidate. So Syed, please, let's congratulate your candidate, Virat. Yeah, please, you can unmute yourself and speak up. Yeah.
Hi, Virat. Okay. So Virat is my another student. Okay. He is like Virat Kohli of India. So he is very, very consistent in doing assignments and everything, because he is very passionate towards learning new technology, right, Virat? So whenever I gave an assignment, he just think in a way different than what I am thinking. So if I try to do something in one method, means he will finish up in another method. Okay, so that is what the speciality of Virat. He is another most important thing that I want to appreciate Virat is his consistent. Okay, he will whatever works he have anyhow he will ask 1 or 2 days of time. In the meantime, he will wind up the assignment in a new fashion, means in a new method. So that is because of him, I just learned a lot of new methods from Virat. Okay, I must thank Virat for this. Thank you, Virat, for whatever you did, and your way of participation is very, very good. Just keep move on like this, so that you will get a better scope in your future. Thank you, Virat.
Thank you, Syed.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Syed, and let's congratulate Virat by clapping for him. So Virat, please add some word and congratulations. Yeah. About your experience.
So, it was a great opportunity for that I received from the Guru School to have this. And Syed, I would say it's a great guru. I definitely saved his number as Syed Guru. So I learned a lot from Syed. Whenever I needed him, he was there. So whenever, and as Syed said, like I wanted to try some, like always, I try to find different way of a solution. So there are not just one solution. So that's what gets me motivated. And in this, Syed helped me a lot. And if sometimes we cannot figure out, Syed was there, and then we can also do a group troubleshooting session with Syed, Sirsha. So it was pretty fun class, and I really enjoyed it. And I also appreciate this opportunity with Dev sir that given to us. So thank you all.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Syed. Yeah, thank you so much, Virat. Yeah, Syed.
One thing, guys, I want you to convey. Okay, so actually we are in somewhat a middle of the thing. Okay, so since even the course got completed, please don't stop yourself. Okay, just keep on learning. So if anytime you need some help, just let me know. We are there to help you. Okay, so just prepare a lot and get the interview and just get into a job. So that is the biggest, happiest thing we will see when you guys are getting placed, right? So please do that and don't stop your learning. Please go ahead with further steps, and if you need any assistance, just let us know. We Guru Schools are there to guide you guys. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you, Dev, and other members for giving me this opportunity to deliver the ceremony to my students, Srisha and Virat. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sayed ji. So before we move further and talk about Salesforce Admin BA, as Sayed rightly said, don't stop learning, because as I keep on saying and started with telling this, that when you learn, you grow. And you know one thing, when you stop learning, you start dying. This is a serious affair. Okay, so always continue learning. And in terms of, while we are asking you, we are bringing you and we are giving you this virtual certificate, it does not mean that you have to go ahead with this intent that you have to not proceed further. Now we are securing you for placing into somewhere in the industry, and with this certificate, you are not only getting the certificate, you are also getting the confidence. Okay, so treat it as if you have already got it at the first place. Okay, so let's welcome our another trainers, and these are Sheetal and Devendra. So again, as we give the power whoosh, let's clap and give a power whoosh by clapping 3 times and bring Devendra and Sheetal ji on board to speak further. So 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Please go ahead.
Whoosh.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Gaurav for giving this much opportunity to speak and host my students in the graduation ceremony. So the team, Sheetal is not available due to some reason, so I'll be taking ahead. So my first candidate is Amulya Badam. So I would like to add something about Amulya Badam. So she is a student, and she was earlier a .NET developer, but she opted herself to Salesforce admin and BA. And talking about Amulya, so she is a very punctual candidate or student, I would say, to attend all the resume preparation call, interview calls, and also the sessions. And on top of that, she was very good in resolving the scenarios, and also like I have so much of experience in Salesforce admin and BA, but I learned from Amulya as well, because she was creating the scenarios. Like in RPA, Sayed told that when I gave her something to do, she was implementing the another method to do that. So Amulya was the one that was implementing every possible way in the Salesforce platform to implement and just to deliver in a timely fashion. So she was one of the students I got to learn very much, and she is one of the best, I would say. And also she has completed her certifications of admin developers, and also she is learning day by day and growing, and also she is in touch with me for certain topics, and also I am guiding all of my students to help in the best possible way, to provide the best possible material, videos and all, and to guide them in the proper way. So congratulations, Amulya. So she informed me yesterday, so she will be not be part of this graduation ceremony. So she is some family emergency and all, so she is not there, but let's congratulate her, and she is one of the best I have.
So yeah, congratulations, Amulya, and let's clap for her. Thank you. Even if she is not there, let's clap for her.
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you.
Back to you.
Yes. Yeah. So another one, I have Rahul Mahajan. So again, the best one to come up with the another questions and scenarios. So about Rahul, so he is one of the person that have asked me questions. So in my life, I haven't seen the person asking so many of questions, but yes, it was a valid questions and also the valid scenarios, and also sometimes I also get confused about his questions. So but yeah, taking as a learning perspective, I was blessed to have Rahul Mahajan to learn in terms of Salesforce admin as well as development as well, because Rahul was asking so many things related to development, consulting and admin. Yes, but I was not denying to help him. Yeah, but I was helping him to get the best solution, and I was also learning from him. And still Rahul is in touch with me, and like we have like calls and messages exchange between us to resolve the Salesforce scenarios and all. So Rahul is with us today, and he will share his experience, what he got from Guru Schools in terms of Salesforce admin and in terms of learning from Devendra or Sheetal. So he can just take ahead. Rahul, can you please talk about your experience with us?
Yes, Devendra, thank you. Can everyone hear me? Am I audible, Devendra?
Yes, Rahul, you are very much good audible, and you are looking good.
Rahul, congratulations. You can please adjust your camera so that we can see you and we can cheer for you. Yeah, we can see you, but not completely. Only forehead.
Okay. All right. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Rahul, perfect.
Congratulations. Please go ahead.
Perfect.
Thanks, Devendra. Thanks, Sheetal, and thanks, Mr. Dev, sir. After getting laid off and then leaving Geico, I really lost confidence whether I would have got a job or not in IT. I learned of Guru Schools and I joined Guru Schools. Guru Schools has given me confidence again that I will get a job sometime in the future. Without Guru Schools, I had no confidence that I would get a job in IT, even after working 10 years, which is really a mystery. But still, you know, I want to congratulate Guru Schools and especially Mr. Dev, sir, for installing confidence in me. And he always guided me in writing the right resume. So Devendra, Mr. Dev, sir, everyone, please, thanks from me and thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, Rahul, and in future also, like if you have any queries, any any issues, you can ping us or you can email us. So we are with you in your journey, like from till the last. So don't worry about that. So after giving the graduation ceremony, we will not be with you. So if you like email us or like message us or call us, so I'll be there to guide you in the best possible way. So,
thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So congratulations, Rahul. So from each one of us. So let's clap for Rahul, and you can congratulate if you wish to. Thank you. So,
Congratulations, Rahul.
Congratulations, Rahul.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
Rahul.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Rahul.
Thank you. Let's move to the next slide. Yeah, over to you. Yeah, Devji. Devendra.
Yeah. The next one I have Urjita Patel. So she is the most tenured person. So she is working as a business analyst from the past 10 years or 12 years. So like I learned from her very much from the and also she encourages me to learn business analyst skills from her also, because she is like working as a manager in business analyst, and I learned a lot from Urjita Patel. And also like she was one of the good students that I have, and she was asking the doubts like in a very organized manner. Like if she has anything to ask, she would not hesitate to ask me in personal and also in the class. And also she was very good in understanding that Devendra will not discuss in class because it takes time to everyone's time, so we can discuss it afterwards. So she was one of the best I have. So Urjita, and also I learned business analyst skills from her, and she also told me that Devendra, if you want to learn business analyst skills from me, so you can reach out to me. I'm available for her. And also his brother is also with us in the third batch of Salesforce admin, so she was the one of the best I have. And also today I have Urjita Patel, so she can really share her experience and just to show how her experience was with Guru Schools. So Urjita, you can take ahead.
Yes. Hi, Devendra. Thank you. You are the best teacher I ever had. Great. Thanks for all your help. And again, thanks to Guru Schools overall. I learned obviously a lot. I've been a BA since last 10 years, but this was another level up from a BA, getting into more technical side of IT. And like Devendra said, my brother is also joined Guru Schools because of the experience that I had. I would want him to join Guru Schools. So thank you, Devendra, for all your help, and Sheetal, and thank you for our team to help us and help each other whenever we had doubts, especially Rahul and Amulya. They are
Yes.
great. And again, we have created a small family within Guru Schools, and love to be in contact even after, we work on projects. And Devendra, one more thing, I already started doing a Salesforce admin job at my current position right now. So I'm doing
Wow, wow. That's
hands-on
congratulations.
admin.
Congratulations.
Yes. So that was another
Congratulations. So
thing
we
that
are,
I was able to do
oh,
without
so
the
you got a,
certification. Yes,
oh,
and they offered me. They said, yes, you can learn here as you go hands-on. So
yes,
thanks
correct.
to Guru School, thanks to you, and again, I will reach out to you anytime I need you. So thanks again.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah,
great
Urjita.
experience and a journey.
Yeah, so
Thank you.
Urjita, congratulations. Like I was not aware that you got a job for Salesforce admin. I was
Yes,
not
I
aware.
did. Actually, it was on my current project. We are working on a
Okay,
marketing
okay.
cloud right now. So
Okay,
luckily, I
perfect,
kind of
perfect.
mentioned it to them. Yeah. So they said, yeah, you can
Yes,
start doing admin work from marketing cloud. So yes, it's great. I
perfect,
think I
perfect.
finished it at the right time. So thank you so much for all your help. I couldn't have done it without you. Thanks.
Okay, Urjita. And if you need any help doing the projects, and you can contact me and you can ask me anything. Okay, don't
Yes,
worry
I
about
will.
that.
Thanks,
I'm with
Devendra.
you.
Yep. Thank
Yep,
you.
yep.
Yep, thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, congratulations, Urjita. So as you guys are watching here, the magics are happening. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
always be ready to get surprised while you are learning. You may crack some placement for yourself. So once again,
Yes.
congratulations to Urjita, and let's
Yeah.
move to
Thank you.
So
another.
even
Congratulations,
I'm, yeah,
Urjita. Congratulations,
yeah, yeah.
Urjita.
Thanks,
So even,
Rahul. Thank
yeah,
you.
even I am surprised that, yeah, yeah, see, yeah, yeah,
Thank
see,
you.
got a job in Salesforce admin. So like, I'm feeling wow. And it's like,
It's all
yeah,
because
yeah,
of you, Devendra. I could have done it.
yeah, I know
Otherwise,
that,
without
but
you, I
yeah,
couldn't
this,
have.
yeah. So just now I got to know, so I'm feeling wow. Thank you so much for
You're
the
welcome.
compliments.
Yep.
Yes. So another one we have Lumbini Katragata. So yeah, again Lumbini. So talking to talking about Lumbini. So she is one of the best. Again, I have so like Lumbini and Amulya. So she was we can say the team lead of the class, and they were helping each other, like taking the initiative to create the groups, and also taking the calls, and also they all were involved in each other's, like helping Rahul, Urjita, and all. So they are in touch with all of them, and and also helping each other. And Lumbini is also like in touch with me, and if she has any doubts, she is asking me again and again. So like I'm feeling blessed to have such students, so asking the issues day by day, because it helps me to learn a lot. Because the thing is that when we are doing something, and when we are delivering, it's not about like giving the 6 weeks of lectures and like we are run away. So we are with you, like if you have my number and my number is like on, you can WhatsApp me, call me, so I will be there to help you. I will never deny, because the thing is that the more you help, the more you grow, like Dev sir mentioned. And I learned a lot from Dev sir as well, because he guided us, all the trainers, in such a way that never deny anyone, that whether it is a silly questions or any questions they ask, just reply them in a positive manner. And if you're not getting the solution, then also don't hesitate to tell them that yeah, you're not getting the answers and all. But yes, talking to my experience of Salesforce admin and BA, the students are more interactive in terms of practicing on trailheads, and also in the personal orgs and all. And if they are facing any problems, they are asking me. So Lumbini was one of the best, and due to some reasons he is not available here. But yes, congratulations, Lumbini, and looking ahead, you can also get a job in Salesforce admin and BA. So congratulations, Lumbini.
So let's congratulate Lumbini as well and clap for her. Congratulations, Lumbini.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Yes.
Thank you. Let's move to next.
Yeah. So another one is Jaishila Girish. So I think she is available now. And like the best thing about Jaishila, I thought that she joined it after 3 classes. And in the 4th class, when I asked Jaishila, so Jaishila, do you like have your Salesforce org ready? So do I need to set up? So Jaishila just told Devendra, I just watched the recording and I'm on with the class, and with the 3 recordings which you sent me, that I set up my org and also done the practice and made the application. So like I felt wow, because Jaishila like saved the time of the class, and also she was very proactive in terms of delivering delivering in terms of assignments and all. And also like she was not much talkative in class, so she was just a silent spectator in learning. But when I asked the questions, the answer comes from Jaisila. So this was the like she was silent spectator, and I also asked her that Jaisila, you're not speaking in the class. Why it is so? So she is telling that I am understanding the topics very well, and I'm not finding any difficulties. So that is the reason I'm not speaking. So yeah, she was one of the best to deliver the assignments and everything on time. And yes, she is the best one, and she is also looking to learn Salesforce development as well. And yes, congratulations, Jaishila. Now you are a Salesforce admin. Now the roadmap is ahead for you for Salesforce development as well. So congratulations, Jaishila. And if you want to share your experience with us, you can share. Thank you so much. Hi, Jaishila.
Yeah, congratulations, Jaishila. We cannot hear you. So could you please come closer to mic and then you can speak up?
Me now?
Yep.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Devendra, for all your comments. And I am actually, I am very thankful to Guru Schools because I didn't know where I have to start my career because I don't have any experience as such in IT. And luckily, I came across Guru Schools, and then I met Dev sir, and he guided me. He's an amazing motivator. And I felt very happy when I was joining Guru Schools. I felt very happy. And Salesforce also is a new topic to me because I have done a little bit of testing and all those type of topics. I have not come across Salesforce at all. And Devendra and Sheetal made it so easy for me to understand Salesforce. I am very thankful to them. And they are always ready to help also. Whenever you ask them any doubts, any point, any time of the day, they are ready to help you. And actually, even during sessions also, first they clear your doubts and then they start the next course. So that was very helpful. And even after the session, sometimes they used to sit separately, work on some doubts which were not cleared in the class, and then give the solutions on WhatsApp. It was very helpful for us. Thank you a lot, Devendra and Sheetal, sir. And I want to especially thank Dev sir also. He was amazing. He helped. He actually guided how to build a resume, and his motivation and everything. It helped me a lot actually. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Let's clap for Jaishila and congratulate her. Congratulations, Jaishila, once again.
Congratulations, Jaishila.
Thank you, Rahul.
Thank you, Jaishila.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Jaishila.
Congratulations, Jaishila.
Congratulations, Jaishila.
Thanks. Thank you.
Back to you, Devendra.
Thank you. Yeah, so the next one I have Shilpa Varu. So she is also the same boat with Jaishila. So she also joined like from the 4th or 5th class, I guess. And also like she was watching through the recordings, and also I was having one-on-one session. So she was scared that Devendra, I'm behind of the class, like around 3 to 4 classes I'm behind. So how we can make up? So I just send her the Google Meet link and let's sit and just make the things up. So like I sent her the Google link and also sat with her around 3 to 4 hours, and I covered all the topics of the previous sessions and made her sit with the class on the same boat. So she was one of the best to learn. So whenever I give her assignment, so she is completing on time, and also like on top of that, she is asking the doubts. Like, so the best thing about my students I love is that they keep on asking doubts. So like whenever they ask the doubts, so it is helpful for me and Sheetal as well to learn, because sometimes it happens that sometimes it is not easy to recall on that time. But yes, like Jaishila mentioned, we were sitting after the class and discussing with amongst ourselves, and we are delivering to the class. So there is the word is impossible. So there is nothing is impossible while we are working. So when we make the things organized and in an easy way to deliver to the students, so it will be like easy catching for them. So congratulations, Shilpa. So she is also not there. So most of the students I don't know from the first batch also so missing. So I don't know. So Shilpa has some family emergency, so she is not with us, not with me. But yeah, so she is in touch with me for the few of the topics of the doubts clears and all. So yeah, and also she is in the joining the interview sessions and all. And congratulations, Shilpa, and congratulations, and looking forward to work with you as a Salesforce admin and BA. Congratulations.
So let's clap and congratulate for Shilpa as well. Congratulations, Shilpa.
Yeah, congratulations, Shilpa. Yeah.
Congratulations, Shilpa.
Congratulations, Shilpa.
Congrats, Shilpa.
Thank you guys coming together. Let's move to the next one. So yeah, Srinivas, over to you, Devendra.
Yes. Yeah. Can you change the slide?
Yeah. Give me a second. Yeah.
Yeah. Sure. Thanks.
Was it the one?
No. After after Shilpa.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. So I think I'll have to reshare my screen. So just give me a second. Yeah.
No worries.
Yep. I have reshared.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
please.
you. Yeah. So talking about Srinivas, so yeah, he was one of the senior most guy we have in the class, and he was also sharing his experience like while working with the clients and all, and also he was giving us the solutions of all the possible way. And the best thing was Srinivas, I loved about that because I was giving the assignment, he was not doing at home, but he was doing in the class. He was telling that Devendra, can we repeat the assignment? So I can, yes, like I was telling that yes, we can do it 10 times, 20 times. Like he was doing the assignments in the class to make sure that everyone is on same page. So yes, Srinivas is a good learner, and also Srinivas is with touch with me like for the some of the concerns and topics. So I am guiding Srinivas in the best possible way, and as due to some reason he is not available, and like he is traveling somewhere. And also like day before yesterday, I got a message from Srinivas that yeah, he will not be joining this ceremony due to some traveling issues and all. But yeah, Srinivas is a great guy that we got in Salesforce admin, and also he is looking forward to learn the development as well. Yeah, so there is a roadmap of Srinivas after Salesforce admin. He can learn the development part as well, and we are ready to help. And always like Sheetal and myself, so we are there to for everyone to help. So this is all about Srinivas, and congratulations, Srinivas, for your graduating on Salesforce admin and BA.
Congratulations, Srinivas. Let's congratulate and clap for him.
Yes, and also I would like to add all of the, we have 7 in the past batch, we had 7 people, and all of them are like very supportive. Like for example, whenever there was power outage, there was internet issue, so they was not they were not like behaving angry on us that yeah, there is no class today, so we can take it tomorrow. Like, so when we were saying that, so they were very supportive, because internet outage and like power outage, like we cannot handle, right? So that is the thing. I would like to thank all my participants, and also like I would love to add that I am there for you always. You can ping me, WhatsApp me, you can have my US number as well, and you can call me at any point of time, and I will be happy to assist you. And thank you so much, Dev sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak as a mentor for all of these guys, and I will be looking to delivering more and more into like in terms of Guru schools in future as well. And all the trainers of like BAQA, Scrum, and Selenium, RPA, they are the best I have. And also like I would like to tell my students like if you are learning Salesforce admin, if you want to be a QA, good QA, BA, Scrum, if you want to have the hands-on.
You are muted, Devendra.
Also, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
And also, yeah. Also, if you want to learn BA, QA, Scrum, Selenium, RPA, so we have the best trainers available, so you can contact them. So it is always good to have 2 skills rather than having one, like Dev sir always sell. So it will be cherry on the top. So if you want to learn BAQA apart from Salesforce, then you can contact Gaurav sir, Ravindra sir, Richa ji. So they are the best in the industry. Also Prerna ma'am. So you can contact them. So there is nothing like you can learn only Salesforce admin and development. So we have many tracks going on, and you can contact HR and you can learn more and more things. So thank you so much, Gauravji. So you can take ahead.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Devendra. So, guys, are you not finding the lot of energy over here? If you're finding a lot of energy, just show me both the thumbs up on the camera. Thank you. Thank you. Why energy? Because energy is responsible to build your economy. And why economy? Because you are on the path to build yourself for your placement. So I think Devendra ji is getting a lot of wow, because as we say that what goes around comes around. So like that. So he might have vowed to his students, so that his student is vowed him back. So on this note, with this, I also just want to say, like we are seeing over here, that few students have not showed up. And in case you are watching this in recording at all and getting a goosebump on receiving this virtual certificate, remember one thing. Recently, I shared one thing from one of my mentors, that how you do anything is how you do everything. So if you have to show up, show up. Even if you are traveling, show up. So keep showing up, because if you will develop this habit of showing up, you will show up for the interview and you will show up for your work as well. On this note, let's move ahead to our next trainers, and he is and she is, they are Anand and Chavi. They are going to talk about Selenium QA automation. So let's bring them on the board by giving them the power whoosh. So 1, 2, 3 and whoosh. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Gaurav and Chabi and Dev sir. Basically, I'm a trainer for Selenium QA automation, and we have successfully completed 6 participants for batch 2. And the first participant is Lakshmi Mokashi, and she is so energetic, really hands-on, and she is eager to learn so many things and very interactive, asking many questions. So I like the enthusiasm of Lakshmi, and I really appreciate Lakshmi's involvement in learning. And congratulations, Lakshmi Mokashi, on your successful completion of the training on Selenium QA track. And hearty congratulations, and wish you best of luck in getting a job. And Chavi is another trainer. And Chavi, would you like to add something?
Yes, Lakshmi, she's very hardworking, and she's always interested in learning. So congratulations, Lakshmi, and wish you all the best for your future, and hope you will get the job soon.
Yeah.
So Lakshmi, do you want to add something? Hi, Lakshmi.
Of course, Chavi, I would like to first thank you, Dev sir, Anand, for encouraging me, supporting me, and guiding me throughout this journey. It is a cheerful moment right now, and I would like to thank all my teammates. They are also helpful. We are helping each other, solving issues. So, yeah, thank you everybody.
Thank you,
Congratulations, Lakshmi, once again.
Thank you, Anand.
So let's clap for Lakshmi and congratulate everyone.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Lakshmi.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So we have another candidate, Neelam Golani, and she is very energetic and very enthusiastic learner, and she never give up kind of an attitude. So whenever she uses Apple laptop, and the configurations are a little different compared to Windows, so we have a little challenging in managing the things, but she has overcome that, and she works hard to make sure the things are in place, and in spite of having a family and taking care of the kids and all those stuff, in spite of that, she has spent quite a good quality time in learning Selenium QA track. I really appreciate Neelam for successfully completing all the assignments and also making the team more interactive and helping each other. Thank you and congratulations, Neelam Golani.
Congratulations, Neelam. And I must add that she's very lively girl and she's very intelligent. And I must say that I have learned so much from Neelam. And it's really very nice to have a, you know, I should say instead of student, she's like more than a friend to both of us, actually, Anand and me too. So congratulations, Neelam, and hope you will get the job soon. And many, many congratulations and all the best for your future.
So let's clap
would you like
for
to say-
Neelam and
Yeah.
congratulate her before she comes on board and talk about her experience.
Neelam.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Neelam.
Thank you.
Would you like to say something?
Yeah, I want to say thank you to Anand and Chavi both, and to Dave. Sir, thank you so much. I really enjoyed learning after so long. I came back and was learning about IT, and you guys made it very easy for me. So thank you so much for that. Like I said, whatever was taught, I completely understood. And that's, of course, thanks to my teachers, both Chavi and Anand. And both of them always they were giving me extra time thanks to my Apple laptop. I apologize in advance, but so I did get a lot of one-on-one time, which I really appreciate. And no, this was really very enjoyable. I really enjoyed the whole process. So you guys got my gray cells sticking again after a long time, so I appreciate it. But yeah, thank you so much, both Anand and I. Thanks to my teammates, we had such fun. We have had so many sessions without the instructors, just trying to go over the extra stuff. So yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank
You're
you,
welcome.
Neelam.
So
Yeah.
coming to the third candidate, Preeti Mittal, she is very, very dedicated, I would say, and a very dedicated girl. And she never, if she is struck for some reason, she goes out of the way. She does R&D and makes sure we are on track. So suppose if we are missing something, she would like to ask, clarify, and we make sure we deliver that. So she is like a actual tester, and for all of us, and she is very, very focused, and I really appreciate Preeti Mittal for her involvement. And congratulations, Preeti Mittal, not just for completing the Selenium QA track, she has completed recently ISTQB certification also. So hearty congratulations, Preeti Mittal, and best wishes from all of us.
Congratulations,
Chavi?
Preeti. Yes, congratulations, Preeti. It was great learning with you. And it's like, yeah, as Dev sir said, as Anand said that, yeah, if once you have a doubt, you keep asking and keep questioning until it's get clear in your mind. So it's really have a nice, nice that you are in our team. So yeah. Congratulations and all the best for your future. Would you like to say something, Preeti?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Anand and Chavi. Thank you, Dev sir. I really appreciate your efforts. You gave us a track to learn something new. And I am very confident to join job as a tester. And you have cleared so many doubts and made us software tester finally. Thank you so much. I really appreciate.
So let's clap for Preeti and congratulate her.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Preeti.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Preeti.
Congratulations, Preeti.
Thank you. Yeah.
So here is the next candidate, Shravanti Kadanti. And I must say, she is a very, very focused, once again, very team-oriented girl, and very interactive, and taking the session. The beauty of the training of Selenium QA is it's not just talking, but it is interactive session. More and more we interact, the more we interact, the more we learn. That's the mantra of our training, right? So we are learning from each other, as everybody stated, and we take care of them. And of course, at the end of the day, we are learning from everyone. So the best way to learn is to teach others. And Shravanti made us very, very interactive, very jovial, and all of us have a wonderful time. And congratulations, Shravanti, on your successful completion of Selenium QA track. Best wishes from all of us. And Chavi, over to you.
Yes. Yes, she is also very hardworking and always interested in learning. So congratulations, Shravanti. And she always complete her work on time and keep showing us the interest in in Selenium. And congratulations and wish you all the best for your future. Shravanti, do you like to say something about your experience with Guru Schools?
Yeah, before she unmutes herself, and let's clap for her and congratulate her.
Yeah.
So congratulations, Shravanti.
Congratulations.
Congrats, Shravanti.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Guru Schools.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Guru Schools, for giving me this opportunity to start my career. Thank you, Dev sir, for guiding me to take up this Selenium course. And thank you, Anand and Chavi. I joined lately to this course, but they made me to move forward and reach up to the team. And this course gave me a lot of my teammates who are like we do more sessions without the instructor, and we learned a lot. Thank you.
And yeah, congratulations, Shravanti, and keep learning. And reach out to us if you have any questions. Feel free
Sure,
to
Anand.
reach out either to me or Chavi. We are always there to help you out.
Sure, Anand. Thank you.
Okay. So the next candidate is Soumya Padmin.
No, it's
We have
okay. Soumya, give me a second. Yeah.
So, okay, I think there is a different slide we are seeing.
Hi, Soumya.
Yeah. So here is.
Hi, Chavi.
Hi, Soumya. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, Anand. Thank you.
It's a really sweet voice, and I just love to speak to all of you after a long time because the batch 3 has started. But having said that, batch 2, we are really happy to see all of you, not just the Selenium QA, but all the people, all the trainers, all the other candidates other than our track. But Soumya is really engaged, very focused, and I must say she is very, very interactive, right? So whatever the questions she has, she shoots up, and the kind of the informations we provide, she used to get back to us diligently, the exercises, the assignments, all the candidates, not just Soumya. But Soumya is also used to reach out to me sometimes one-on-one to clarify, is this correct, what I'm doing? And that makes us more energetic, and we have to do some R&D to give a solution. And that's how we used to learn. And congratulations, Soumya, for completing Selenium QA. And I hope the sessions, what we are doing on resume preparation and interview preparation is helping you. And we shall continue to do that. I really appreciate Chavi's effort also. And initially I have taken few sessions as well on the resume and interview preparation, but we will continue to do that. And over to you, Chavi.
Yes, congratulations, Soumya. It's great, great having a interaction with you, and you are really, being a very good student. And I hope that you will get a job soon. And you keep asking doubts, and it's really feel us energetic, and you are really hardworking and always interested in learning. So keep on doing the same, and you will really get a job soon. So congratulations once again, and all the best for your future. And would you like to say something, Soumya?
Sure. Thank
Share
you,
your
Chavi. Thank you, Anand. Initially, I did join, 4-5 classes late.
Yes.
Yes.
Is
caught
Soumya
up. How
frozen?
many times ever I asked you to share anything, you guys never said, oh, it was only 10 minutes. Okay. How about now?
I'm really happy.
Yeah, now it's now it's clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys shared whenever I asked. I mean, you say you were like, always available when I needed, and thank you so much. I actually, I was happy in joining Guru schools, and I met new people. The team is wonderful. The instructors are awesome. I love, whenever I used to come to the class session, I was interested in learning more, which I did, and I did meet a bunch of good friends. Um, it was nice. I loved it. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you.
congratulations once again. And
So let's
best
clap for Soumya and congratulate for her. So congratulations, Soumya.
Congratulations, Soumya.
Congratulations,
Congrats,
Soumya.
Congratulations, Soumya.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Soumya.
Thank you.
So the next candidate is Radharani Pradhan. So she's also most interactive, very much involved and diligent and very regular in attending. But all the candidates, not just one or two candidates. So the most important thing is all the 6 people and even the previous batch candidates, sometimes they used to engage whenever we start the session. That's how we were sharing our experience. So the more we speak, the more we share, the more questions used to come. That's how the session in Selenium QA track was. So I used to engage them in a more of a hands-on way rather than the theoretical way. So I believe in application-based, showing them hands-on and of course, and get a solution when we are stuck. And there are different ways, as the instructor Syed, Devendra, Ravindra said, there are many ways to approach a problem, and the case in Selenium also. And I like the ideas from each and everybody, and how we can approach in an optimized way and in a different way. That has taught us a long way, and really appreciate the way the candidates are involved. And my congratulations to Radharani Pradhan, and over to you, Chavi.
Yeah, thank you. About Radha, I must say that she joined late, and she also are very interested in learning. And no, Radha is a candidate who always asking for doubts, and keep her 100% in doing the assignments. And she's also very hardworking. And many congratulations to Radha, and keep learning and keep motivating us also in regards of teaching you and giving you more and more. And really have I'm lucky to have a candidate like Radha. And congratulations, and all the best for your future. And we will be in touch future also, and we will keep learning. Radha,
Yes.
do you like to say something?
Yeah,
About your experience with Guru schools?
yeah. Sure. Thank you so much for helping me, and thank you so much for Anand and Chobi, and thankful to Guru School to guidance me. And I am very happy to join the Guru School, because actually I am not IT background, and when I am facing problem, they are trying to help me. That's why I am very thankful to Anand and Chobi, and also Dev sir, because he's always try to support and guidance me. That's all for me.
Very good.
Thank you.
Congratulations to
you.
all the candidates. And learning is constant, as we know, but I would like to reiterate that. And let's keep learning. Let's have that perseverance. Let's not give up until we reach the goal. What is the goal? to get the job. And that's the motivation, and we all learn from each other, and let's keep up the good job. And I hope the sessions, not just the training, but the resume preparation, interview preparation, the exercises, the mock interview, I hope the 6 pillars of Guru Schools is helping all the candidates, and not only candidates, but also helping trainers as well. The approach, the methodology of Guru Schools, I really thank Mr. Dev sir and all the trainers, and not the least, all the candidates as well. With that, I hand over to Gaurav. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity. And
Congrats, Radha.
So let's congratulate for Radha. So Radha, clap for her and congratulations.
Congratulations, Radha.
Thank you. We'll miss you.
We'll be in touch. Let's stay in touch,
We'll
Radha.
be in touch. Yes, Radha. Yeah.
So I like her assignments. She keeps on
Yes,
sharing the
she keeps on
assignments, the screenshots, and she
And
is
keep
so
doing that.
hard work and dedicated. Please do that. Continue to do that. I'm
Thank
sure
you, thank you. Yeah.
you'll reach the destination.
Yeah.
Yes. Congratulations to all of you. Many, many congratulations.
Yeah. So
Thank
yeah.
you. Thank you.
With
Over
that,
to
over to you, Gaurav. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anand and Chavi, and your entire candidate was really, really awesome. So on this note, before I proceed further, let me crack one secret over here. The secret is that someone just sent me in the message and asked me, why the power whoosh? Why the power whoosh? Because, you know, the moment you feel somewhere uncomfortable, this is the indication that you are doing something right. And that's why even virtually, when you are interacting with someone, and this small effort you put in to appreciate someone, to energize someone, that says that you are doing something right. And that's why on the job also you may encounter sometime something uncomfortable may encounter, and that time you have to remind yourself that you are going to do something right. As Anandji just now added, that learn and teach. Yes, that's right. And I call it golden triangle. When you learn and you do whatever you learn and then you teach, it becomes the complete triangle, and that makes you fulfilled to get your own job done. So on this note, I know that we have covered many candidates. We have awarded you, we rewarded you, and we talked about you. I want now to give this power whoosh and bring Devji on the board to speak about something. So let's give together, all of us, power whoosh and energize Devji like he is energizing all of us. So 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Devji, over to you.
Yeah, thank you. First of all, congratulations to each one of you for achieving this milestone. What you see on the screen is contact Guru Schools. Any inquiries, you could contact us. If you have any other people looking for help, training, job, always forward them. Gaurav, come back to the main screen now. In terms of all of us, our faces can be seen. Thank you. We're almost done. Yes, good. So this is a virtual platform. Okay, why we are doing this? Why Guru Schools? I've been doing this for the last 21 years. What I felt was there is always a gap. Majority of the people are there to basically rob the candidates, right? Throw some videos and then they're gone. And the candidate suffers, right? People are seeking a genuine help, not a mere lip service, ribbon cutting ceremony that give the link and all. So we trying to bridge that void. We're trying to bridge that gap. What really helped me was the pandemic, to be honest with you. Millions of job losses. What has happened is millions of people are losing their job. Even if you see the reports here in the USA, every month, even now, between 700 and 800,000 people are losing jobs. Which also includes many of your spouses are under stress in terms of either getting furloughed, either compensation reductions, or they don't know when the axe is going to fall on their neck. So that also helps many of you to seek and to get into the thought process of seeking a career. What was missing was that none of these trainings, for the most part, is geared towards career employment. The training was meant for as a lip service training videos. If it was that easy, YouTube has zillions of videos one can watch, but that's not happening. It's basically, it's an ecosystem, right? And life is all about relationship and trust. I'm fortunate to have a great team member with me. We are able to do these things with efficacy and with optimal synergy and a lot of passion, only because of our two great nations, meaning India and US as a blend we are doing. And that's the reason these courses, if you were to do it from here, the boot camps and the other things, are going to cost you anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000. We could still do it for free. Okay, and the reason we could do it for free is because we are using onshore offshore model, right? Do not be a stranger. Many of you, this is not done. Okay, you guys are like children to us. So training is done, now what? Okay, don't even let that thought come to your mind. All of you are part of the WhatsApp group, and you will be staying in this WhatsApp group until you get a job and until you settle down in your career. It's like being children. Yes, you'll grow up. Yes, you'll have a family. Yes, you'll have your own world, but you will always choose children to your parents, right? That's what it is. Pandemic really forced people lost their job. Many of you were doing some other small job, which is also gone, whether it's a substitute teacher, whether it is doing some odd customer service roles. Our empty mind is devil's workshop, right? The second thing is mentally, so much of depression and so much of negativity creeps in. When you see, look around, your spouse is struggling, your family is struggling, everybody's struggling. So there has to be an ecosystem, and there has to be a platform where we could come virtually, right, and engage with each other. Let me tell you, subconsciously, consciously, that does reinforces a lot of positivity, that does reinforces a lot of energy. And this virtual platform is the name of the game going forward, because such things in terms of this virus or that virus will keep happening. It's just the norm, and we'll get used to it, and hence the need for having this kind of an education. We will not be leaving your hand. It is up to you to leave us, right? We will be always be there. It is like, as a children, you will always be part of the Guru Schools ecosystem. So I strongly encourage each one of you, take the opportunity, continue engaging with us every Tuesday and Thursday. We have the resume workshops, we have the vendor workshops, we have the interview workshops. Weekends, we have interview workshops, mock interview workshops. Unless you stay proactive, because each one of you need a job, right? So we are merely facilitators. On one side, I have a great team offshore in terms of their focus and dedication, and they never say no. So you'll never hear from them saying, I'm busy, I'm tired and all. They will always be walking that extra mile towards giving that helping hand. You need a job. Unless you're proactive, we can only help you so much. We can walk the horse to the pond. It is up to you to drink the water or not. Especially to ladies, your parents have given the best they could, not to make you homemaker, but to give you a career. I have a spouse, I have a sister, I have a daughter, I have a mother too. And at this age also, they do all work. Okay, so I cannot see a woman sitting at home and become a homemaker. Each one of you must work. And for that to say, let's thank China, because that taught the whole world that everything can be done remote. So we do understand that there's a balance between home chores as well as having a career profession. So China gave you this opportunity. Please take this opportunity to teeth into corporate America, to teeth in professional career, and to make sure you're at a home run. I'm sure not only yourself, you will see a change in your complete outlook, in your approach, in the way you behave, the way you interact. I'm sure many of your spouses will be telling you, it's not you whom I married to. And that's a compliment, right? And I'm sure once you start earning, take your child, take your spouses, let the tab is on you, and surprise them, right? So I want to thank you from bottom of my heart for all of you for having a faith in Guru Schools. The journey does not stop. It's a lifelong journey. What we are trying to do, we are trying to enable people with a positive mindset. What we are trying to do, we are bringing together people, right? Sabal Bhartiya, that's the mool, meaning most of you have Indian heritage or Asian heritage from one of the Indian countries. So we are trying to unite you together, right? And we're working as a one team, okay? We're also trying to infuse that proactivism in you, in saying, asking for help. Crying baby gets the milk. Always be proactive, whether it's your spouse, brother, sister, any fellow colleague, always ask for help. And that will go a long way towards getting your job and keeping your job. You are welcome to continue taking training sessions. There are always subsequent training sessions. My 3 training tracks on behalf of Guru Schools are Salesforce, that's the biggest track we have, BA Scrum, that's the second biggest track we have, and Selenium QA, that's the third biggest track we have. If you combine these 3 together, every year we train about 120, 140 people only in these 3 tracks. Okay, about 40, 50 people every year for each of these tracks. Okay, so group learning is the best. And as you grow and as you get matured and as you get experience, please don't be a stranger, because it's an art of giving. What we're trying to do here is we're trying to help each other. So help the fellow like-minded people who were just like you 4, 6 months ago. And even if you get a job, you're more than welcome to stay in a class. Don't be a stranger. Come into those ongoing sessions, show your face, give you tips, because many of the trainers have learned from you too. And let me tell you, life is not perfect. That's where we have dual trainers for most of the tracks, so that if every trainer has certain strengths and certain limitations, and that's the reason you learn from 2 trainers, and you can take the best inputs from each one of them. Okay. Finally, as an organization, we do benefit. Let me tell you, some of our students have helped towards getting us the mentorship, have helped interviewing and placing some of our candidates. Now, I cannot do it without you. Do not undermine your strength. Do not take it granted that what can I do? You can do it all. Okay. Ladies, it's up to you to break the glass ceiling. Men, you must continue doing these things. And when I see Rahul and all, yes, depression creeps in. That's the second biggest cause for death universally, depression. And that's something knowingly and unknowingly you will not even come to know. We all look normal. Okay, so that's the reason this virtual sessions, so there is a positivity flowing in, and we do many such things. And it's up to you, how many of such sessions do you want to engage with and do you want to be part of? Okay, finally, I know it's kind of getting late. Thank you for the birthday wishes. It is tomorrow though. And I shared it with Albert Einstein. And the only thing which I could do and learn from his is, knowledge. Knowledge is something, by sharing, it simply compounds. Okay. So I'm embarking that journey, and I want to help, empower, and place as many people as I can. It's not money. There is no price tag to see when you help people get a job, when you help people to see that spark in their eye and that confidence instilled into them, and when they can do it too. So money is one thing, right? You cannot eat money for food once you have done this 20, 30 years. What is more important is you are making a difference in people's life, right? And you're really enabling them to get back in the market. We have people from all different ages, from early 20s to early mid 60s, and age is just a number. When I see so many of these people, men as well as women, and when I see their enthusiasm, that keeps you going as an energizer bunny, right? So thank you all. That's my concluding remark, is only to say thank you. And I appreciate all of your association. It will be continued association. And without doing any further ado, thank you, my trainers, my entire support system. Please be engaged with them, because my HR and sales team will be helping you towards placing you. So the more engaged you are, the more proactively you will be marketed. And it's always a teamwork. No one is a perfect here. All we got to do is remember the Sergey Bubka. Every day, try to be a better version of yourself. Even if you do small improvement, 1% improvement a day, that's 365 improvements in a percent improvement in a year. So thank you again, and God bless us all, and God blesses America, God bless India, because the two countries we have the proud heritage too. And I sincerely thank you, all of you, for joining this session.
Deji, before concluding, I want to convey a small thing to
Yes,
each and
sir.
everyone. Yeah, actually, guys, each and everyone is having lot of difficulties, lot of problems. Okay, so the thing is, we are not supposed to give up. Each and everyone, for example, I am attending lot of interviews, but still I am not getting a job. So better I can quit this technology. That is not a real thing. The thing is, whenever you are getting failed, just try to learn from that, because only failure will teach us you many things, so that you can pursue a success. Okay, just don't give up, guys. Whatever failure we can face, just let us face, and then because of that failure we can pursue a huge success. Okay, so that is the simple thing I want to convey. So don't just give up yourself.
Sure.
Okay,
And
thank you,
finally,
guys.
today's MC, Apurva, Purva, and Gaurav, you have done a fantastic job. This session will be recorded. It will be trimmed for any small interruptions here and there, and then it will be shared to you. Please, for God's sake, if you have your living parents, if you have your aging relatives, show it to them. They would love to see those claps for you. If you have your toddlers, if you have your teenagers, please show it to them. And please, ruffle them on the wrong side, saying, dear, your mom or your dad can still do it all, right? Because, teenaging, and especially the kids of today's generation, let them also see, wow, my mom or my dad also did it, right? And it's something to be proud about. Share this link with as many people as you can, because dikta hai wo bikta hai, right? Jana seva is Ishwar seva. To help people is divine. That's the mantra we have it at Guru Schools. And this is the virtual platform basically to make a difference in everyone's life. So without doing any further ado, thank you all for joining in, and all of you have a good night. Thank you.
Thank you, Dev sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
everyone.
everyone.
How we are going to close this? Let's stay for a moment. So how we are going to close this? As we heard over here, that what we give is just a helping hand. So the reason behind this, when you give, you grow, but when you receive, you may survive. So let's give encouraging words to each other. And how we are ending, just give a camera high five, saying to each one of you that you are awesome because you are going to get the job, and you are awesome because you are teaching wonderful things. You are awesome because you are doing wonderful things. So give a camera high five together, and we will close it. You are awesome. You are awesome. You are awesome, guys. You are awesome.
All are awesome. All are awesome.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Good night. Good
Thank
day.
you. Thank you, everybody.
This session was has bring us a lot of positive vibes and help each other. Thank you so much.
The
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.